Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your box or your shape in color on Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that we need to do is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow the simple steps. Now the first thing that I will do in this example is to create a shape. So basically I'm going to use the rectangle tool, or you can use any shape that you want. Then I'm going just to draw a shape, and here I will see the properties menu or panel. Basically you will need to have it. If you do not have it, just go to the window and search for properties and just click on it, and now you will have the same panel that I have here. And as you can see, when you when you select your shape and go to the properties, you can see the appearance. Basically the filling color is the color that you will fill your box with. And when you go to appearance, you will see three options. Those are the predefined swatch or the predefined color that are contained here in the swatch menu or the swatch panel. And there is the color one, and there is also the gradient. So basically I'm going to choose, for example, any color that I want, and I will basically fill my color with it. Also, you can fill your stroke with the color if you want and give it some width or some uh, decoration or formatting. And then you can also give your shape some gradient fill-in if you want. So you will go to the fill color, go to gradient and choose a gradient, and give each gradient for example like this. You select this one, go to the color, give it any color that you want, go to the other frame and give it any color that you want. So we will need to add some like this, and add another one like this, and you can just go to the gradient and give it anything or any color that you want. So basically now you can just play with your colors and give it the any color that you want in your shape. So basically this is how you can fill your shape with color in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.